Chinatown, here we go, downtown LA. We're going to the Bro ride. Connected with Martin, and Andy's actually here with the Segway X160. I haven't seen him in a minute. He used to ride with us like 2-3 years ago. I'm obviously on my newest Super73 RX 60 volt build, my latest and greatest. And what I mean by greatest is not by performance, but it just looks really cool. It's got the Grom Predator lights, and it has like a homemade DIY rear triangle side panels and fender. Pretty custom made, so no one really has something like this. I just realized how small the X160 is. It's so tiny looking. So low to the ground and short. Holy smokes, go-kart. This is a huge go-kart. That's awesome, dude. Oh, there's another one. Sick. I have not been to Bro rides at all. It's my first time. Lots of surrons.
Dave was like, there's no way I'm gonna weigh you out.
Oh my gosh, like 80% surrons, I think. Really cool. Some Super 73s. Mainly surrons. Onyx, arielriders. Lots of people. Haven't seen you in a while.
Yes.
AJ, haven't seen you in a while, man. How's it going?
Yeah.
What are you riding today?
The pizza.
The scooter? You call it pizza, okay.
What are you riding today, dude?
Super 73.
What is it?
Super 73, yeah. Like a red 60 volt. I put a 60 volt in it. An RX.
73 with a 60 volt.
Yeah.
All right.
You remember Martin? He mountain bikes with us.
Yeah. Mario.
Yeah. And Andy. Yeah, this is his EMTB, Martin's. Yeah, but this is the RX I'm riding today. Yeah. You know, Marshall Canyon's pretty nice if you haven't been. You cross a lot of streams.
Yeah.
And then there's nice jumps there too.
Like
Yeah.
we crossed it like through a bridge, or we're actually going through?
You're going through water, but it's only like
Okay.
like you know 6 inches or so.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's almost like a surron. If you, I have another one with a 72 volt, and that's as fast as a surron, like 48 miles per hour. Yeah. That's what I got today. Hopefully, should be all right. 20-ish miles. My first 60 volt battery. All right, we're rolling out. Let's go. Let's roll. Woo. That is a really wide go-kart. God damn these go-karts. They take up a whole car lane. Yeah, there's at least 60 to 80 of us. Yep, there's a lot of us. Time to roll out. I have no idea what ride this is. I don't know what kind of ride this route is. This is supposed to be a slow ride, but with all the surrons and all of these fast vehicles, I don't think it's going to be that slow of a ride. Don't zigzag too much. Sheesh. So much vehicles here. It's a party today. There's Martin. Is that a Zeus? No, it's a DIY bike. Downtown LA. Hopefully those carts don't hit like a mean bump. There's lots of bumps in downtown LA. Let me turn on my fog lights. Boom. Good vibes, good vibes. Let's go. I think there's only like 2 to 3 people that are pedaling. Alright, you can tell who's pedaling on the uphill. U-turn. What? Okay. Well, when we U-turn, kind of looks like there's more people. Ooh, this is a rumble air here. Is this Eric? It might be Eric. He's one of the only ones that I know has a rumble air. What's up, Val? Long time no see, man. Good, how are you? Are we seeing fireworks tonight? Do you know? Oh, really? Okay, I guess we are. Spaghetti is my favorite from them.
Yeah. So good.
But it doesn't compare to Philippines.
Philippines Jollibee?
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't. It's been a while, but
You haven't? Oh. Yeah, try Philippines. It's much better. Yeah. Makes me feel like I want more lights on my bike, you know? I want it to glow more. Every time you see like Honey, for example, look how lit up she is. Horny times. Oh, there is an anime expo going on. Have you been to an anime expo?
no.
I think that's what's going on, right? An expo.
Comic-Con.
Comic-Con? Something like that. What's up, John? Long time no see. So it did say Anime Expo. I haven't been to one of those. Not really. My wife's always been wanting to, but I don't really like to dress up. Eric, is that you?
Oh,
How do you like your Rumble Air?
yeah. It's fine.
What do you got in there, man?
What?
What do you got in there? No, I like right here. Any battery?
Oh, yeah, it's a battery.
Like what size?
50 volt. Yeah.
50 amp? Damn, that's a lot. That's a ton. Steven, is that you? Long time, man. Good, how are you? 15-minute break. Scooter is so torquey. Alright, I'm trying AJ's scooter. AJ, what's this called again?
TI-30.
Okay.
Yeah. But it comes in different names like
Yeah.
Me,
Okay.
X10.
So torquey, man. Oh my gosh. It's a 60 volt scooter and this thing goes up to 50 miles per hour, he said. Yeah, it just pulls from under you. Ah, it's so responsive. Jesus Louise. All right, till I don't know. Till whenever.
Before that sign up.
Okay, I'm gonna take it easy. I'm scared of this.
You got it.
All right, ready, set, go. I'm so scared of this thing. Toasties. This thing is so fast. The Lauti scooter. So tiny.
So nice, man.
Yeah, this is sweet, man. Leaving the area after like a 20-minute break. Some guys had fireworks. That was cool. So much nice, colorful lights. Can this cart even fit in the bike lane? Ooh, barely. It reminds me of being in a video game, you know, like large group rides. Just as I imagined, we're going on the bridge. Let's roll. Martin, have you been on here to 6th Bridge? No? Yeah, it's nice. I think it's my first time at night. Or I think the Halloween ride, actually. Yeah, never mind. I've been here on Halloween. Yeah. Light it up. Copied your lights. Steven, I copied your lights. I copied your headlights. I loved it. People are complaining it's too bright. Here we go. All right, let's max it a little bit. Hey-oh. You. As I was saying, Steven has these Honda Grom lights on his Onyx RCR. I think he's the only one that has it so far that I know. And I liked it so much that I added it on my own Super73 RX. I don't think I've seen it on an RX before. Until now. Wanted something different. Whew, that was nice. Alright, just 4 of us are gonna go ahead to Elysian Park. Since the majority are going to be going there shortly, we're just gonna get a head start. The fun, windy part.
You okay, dude? Yeah, we're gonna stay close together because it's a little bit windy and
Yeah.
just for the brightness.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
Andy doesn't have lights, or doesn't have strong lights. The Core 4. The Fantastic Four. four horsemen. Blast it, Martin. Blast it.
What?
Blast it.
Blast it?
Yeah, go. You are? This is 10 miles per hour. You were doing so much better uphill. What happened to sticking together? 58 bolts. Ah, this space is nice. Haha, helipad, here we go. Better look of downtown LA. Alright, we out of here. A few of us are heading out early. Because it's past 11. Where's Andy? We all parked at the same time. Is that you, Andy? Alright, go ahead. Since you don't have lights. Most of the guys are still there, but we all parked at the same area, so we're leaving early. It's time for the downhill portion. Alright, 58 volts showing. And we've done about 20 miles already. Pretty decent speeds. Had some good run today for this bike. Over overall a good ride. I was hoping there would be fireworks, but it's alright. Alright folks, I was just about to do my outro, but my camera battery died. But I got home now, it's past midnight. And yeah, I'm just gonna do my outro. The ride went well. Shout out to Kai for hosting the group ride. Everything went smooth, no crashes whatsoever. Really fun ride. Just a little bit late, you know, for my taste. It went past 11 p.m. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on your Super 73, an aerial rider, or a DIY bafang kit. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.